still haven't heard from the mayor. Is the mayor anywhere? Anybody sees the mayor? 5 row. We need 5 row.
I need the mayor.
5 row.
Need the mayor.
Anybody know their row right now?
The mayor.
Can you hear us over there in the park? We need 5 row.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, train whistle. Yeah, no postcard. That's cool. No, I don't need a postcard, bub.
So this stayed vacant, so 5 years ago I told them, if you guys are finished the inside, I'll do the exhibits for you, so.
Does it make you want to move back?
I live in Cape, no, I've lived there 40 years. And yeah, after my husband passed away, I sold my house and I moved there. Chateau drawer there, retirement complex, which I don't have, and my children, I hope that I have too. I have grandchildren who are married, so I need somewhere. Can I come up there and say, love this floor? We're proud of all the things that people are bringing in.
Now this road is super town. Does that take you back to 67?
If you turn right at the Y.
Right, it's a lot.
Yeah.
Go through town.
Right, across the bridge and then back past the bridge.
Old hit and miss engines. Those are cool. We're gonna go in this old cabin and look around. These old kettles. Old icebox.
When I come over here, I'll start. Well, I went down there. I actually been repaired over time.
It's been moved and all kinds of stuff. Old apple butter kettle.
And I've reached 2.5 years now.
Neat old coffee grinder.
My best job after I retired was I was a tour guide and then
Butter churn. Old crock. Whiskey crock, that was important. Buck saw. Washboard. Had some kind of hay. I think it's for hay.
that's one of those jobs you do for free. That's a wheat cradle.
Textile loom. Cool.
Oh, longer than that. Very small.
Old treadle machine. Oh, soccer player coming up.
Oh, I know, yeah, and you know, something different every year. Yeah.
He's sleeping on this.
Jar of boiling water and, yeah, we had to be covered when you made it. That had to be covered sometime. Well, yeah, and, we always used to, my place in Beachville, depending on how many you were.
Fair, now.
Henry Jane Best Sites Log Home.
Sites. So that historical house is from Marquand.
Yes, it is. This is the memorial for the veterans that were from Marquand and they passed away. I believe they were people that passed away in active military service. They just put this up, which is kind of cool. The car show. Walk around and look at some of these cars. It's a Buick. It is. Walk over here, Noah. I have to speed this part of the video up because of the music or take the audio out. Walk back over here. Arrow. Yeah. pick up. Neat old Volkswagen van, little Ford Pinto. Charger, or Challenger. This Mustang. It's got the pink interior. It's cool. Pink stripes. It's too cool. My wife would like this. Of course, she's not too
601. 973 606. What are you?
It's a quick walk through the car show.
605.
Not really a whole lot here, but that's it.
How about 973?
Nice little day at the Marquand Park.
572?
Everybody, this is John from Nevermore Antiques, and I want to thank you for watching my video. If you would, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you'll know when we upload new videos and when we go live. You can also follow us at Facebook and on Instagram, both under Nevermore Antiques. If you would, you could check us out on eBay too under the same username at Nevermore Antiques. Thank you for watching. Right over here, you're going to be able to check out one of my other videos. It'd be really cool. Just go over there and click. Just pick one. Pick one, A or B. Gotta go. Pick it.